Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. Today I would like to share this healthy and immunity booster tea with a very simple ingredients which are easily available in our home. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Here I have taken 2 cups of water. Add half tablespoon of dry ginger powder or sonti podi in Telugu. Add fresh pudina leaves. Add fresh tulsi or basil leaves and boil this for 2 minutes. Now squeeze half lemon juice in a cup. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, it is completely optional. 1/4 tsp cinnamon powder. Now strain this tea. Mix well and enjoy hot and also immunity booster tea. Friends, if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do try this. And post your comments in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.